Thank you for your interest in Mammoth. At Mammoth, we're always looking for people we call A players, because we believe a group of A players creates what we call a high-performing culture. Have you ever worked at a place where your other teammates let you down and didn't do their jobs, and all that work fell upon you, create all that stress? Or maybe you worked at a place, or you currently work at a place that you don't hear thank you very much, or are shown any appreciation. At Mammoth, we have a group of people that we call A players, and they will do whatever it takes not to let their teammates down by doing their jobs. An A player is somebody who shares our values and also hits expectations. At Mammoth, our values are urgent, gritty, dependable, responsible, team-oriented, inquisitive, empathetic, sincere, trustworthy, and assertive. Very simply put, a high-performing culture has people that keep commitments and make no excuses. They'll do whatever it takes not to let their teammates down. They are accountable for their own roles, but they also speak up and hold others responsible for the commitments that they've made. If you want to belong to a high-performing culture and a group of A players that won't let you down and they'll support you when you need it the most, then go to mammothrestoration.com and apply online to our career page in order to join our growing team. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it gave you a flavor for what Mammoth Restoration is all about, and look forward to meeting you someday.